Just hear those sleigh bells jingling, ring, ting-a-ting-a-ling. I'm on this lovely weather for a sleigh ride together with you.
Good morning, guys! Happy Tuesday! Uy! Aga ko gumising kanina kasi kailangan ko mag-edit kasi ang dami natin kailangan gawin today. Darating mamaya ang papa ni Dan at saka yung asawa niya. Dito sila magdi-dinner. So, kailangan ko magluto ng Filipino-style spaghetti. Gagawa ko ng leche flan. Lulutuin ko yung chicken na minarinate natin kahapon. So, ililive ko yun dito, guys. Kung gusto nyo makita kung paano ko siya prepare kagabi. And kailangan ko din i-tidy up yung bahay. So, hindi naman siya sobrang dumi. I just need to tidy it up. Kasi kailangan kong gumawa ng like matinong linisan talaga before ako umalis. Kasi iiwan natin si Dan, diba? Wala pang 11. Natapos ko yung edit ko. So, kakatapos lang. Kailangan kong i-edit yung thumbnail and other stuff. But, check ko lang kung okay pa yung utan ko. Hindi yan yung dinner ko kagabi kasi iba yung kinain ko kagabi for dinner. Kasi medyo nakakasawa din kung puro na lang same ulam yung kainin natin. Pero, okay pa to siya. Meron pa kasi isdang natira. Nasasayangan ako. May snapper pang natira dito. So, kakainin ko to ya. Wala, marami pa. My goodness. Ang dami pa palang natira. Meron wala. Initin ko lang to, guys. This is gonna be my early lunch. Kasi mamaya, ay nako, bongga yung ating dinner. May deep fried tayo. Bonggang-bongga talaga. Guys, 12:14 na. Gagawin ko lang yung leche flan. So, madali lang naman to eh. Para habang nagsisteam siya, maliligo ako. Para multitask ba. So, 8 egg yolks yung kailangan sa leche flan. Isang can ng condensed milk. Isang can ng Carnation evaporated milk. And then, isang tablespoon ng vanilla extract. Yun lang. Isa-separate ko lang yung egg whites at saka egg yolks. And yung egg yolk yung i-mix ko dito sa tatlong to. Yun lang. Very easy. Tapos, i-steam natin siya for about 25 to 30 minutes. Guys, nakapag-ready na ako. 1:28 pa lang ng hapon. And tapos na yung aking leche flan. Dalawa siya. Dinalawa ko siya. Kasi yung malaking linyera ko, iniwan ko kinalay. Kasi hindi nakain yung leche flan. Yung mga dessert during the party, guys, hindi nakain. Kasi nag-inuman eh. After kumain ng kanin at saka yung mga ulam, nag-inuman, so hindi nakain yung yung mga dessert. I think kinabukasan kinain yung buko pandan pero yung leche flan hindi na touch. At saka yung upside down cake ni Kat. Nagdala kasi siya din ng upside down cake, hindi din nagalaw talaga. So ngayon, because wala ako nung malaki kong yanera, yung ginawa ko is dalawa. Yung isang sobrang liit, yung pinaka-mini ko ito. At saka yung isa, init nun na. Tsaka yung isa dito, guys. Ayan. Yan. Ilalabas ko lang siya, pero ikikipa din ko pa din yung foil. Kasi luto na to eh. After ko talaga maligo, hindi pa ako nakapagbihis. Yung alarm ko. So, chinek ko siya. And okay na siya. Luto na siya. Tanggalin ko lang siya sa foil para malagay ko na siya sa fridge. Kasi dapat, the night before siya niluluto. I mean, what I do is I usually cook it the night or make it the night before kapag leche flan. Tapos kinabukasan, okay na siya. Medyo like malamig na siya kasi naka-fridge na siya overnight. Pero this time, kasi sobrang biglaan nga yung pagdating ng perfect yung leche flan natin, guys. Tingnan nyo ha, jiggly siya. Jiggly. So, that means very creamy siya inside. Ito, hindi siya ganun kadali i-jiggly kasi maliit eh. Pero, okay din siya. Creamy din siya inside. I can tell. Okay na yan. Ibabalik ko lang yung takip nila. Tapos, ilalagay ko sila sa fridge. Guys, ready na ang ingredients para sa ating sweet-style Filipino spaghetti. So, meron tayo ditong onion, garlic, and dadagdagan namin siya ng mushroom this time. Request ni Danny Boy. And then, meron ako ditong tender juicy ata to. Is it tender juicy? Mighty juicy. Na cheesy hotdog. Usually, kapag gumagawa ako ng spaghetti, if merong cheesy hotdog na available, cheesy hotdog talaga yung kinukuha ko. Kasi gusto ko yung very cheesy na spaghetti. And then, I have here the minced beef na yung pinakamataas na fat. Kasi para sa keto ni Dan. Though ito, hindi siya keto. Kasi sweet siya. Tapos, ito din, hindi siya keto. Carbs na carbs ito. Pero okay lang yan. Mabisita tayo eh. Naka-apron ako kasi puting-puti pa naman yung suot ko. Ay, bakit naman kasi ako nakaputi? Kakatawag lang ni Dan. Sabi niya, isang appointment na lang tapos uuwi na daw siya. Simulan na natin to guys. Una is olive oil. Then, lagay na natin yung garlic. Tapos, sunod ko na agad yung onion. Ilalagay ko na yung mushroom guys. Bakit ko ba to inisang yung mushroom at saka hotdog? Ay, mushroom yun lang yung ilalagay ko. First time ko to gagawin na may mushroom ang Filipino spaghetti ko. We will see kung ano magiging resulta nito. Ayan guys, nilagay ko na pala yung beef. Now, isusunod ko na yung ating cheesy hotdog. Ayan, sus, yung tatlo talaga. Di ba kayong tatlo? Special treatment talaga itong tatlo ay. Halu-haluin lang natin to guys. Mamaya kapag okay na yung hotdog, ilalagay ko na yung ating sauce. Guys, kayo ay pinatong ko sa air fryer ng bonggang-bongga. So, kitang-kita nyo to. Lalagay ko na yung aking spaghetti sweet style. Yung iba, sinasabihan ako na lagyan daw ng condensed milk. Sa totoo lang, I don't feel the need to kasi para sa akin matamis na to. Like, after ko siya lagyan ng cheese, matamis-tamis na maalat-alat na basta okay na sa akin siya. Siguro kung ibang style ng sauce yung gagamitin nyo, siguro like mag-add ng condensed milk. Pero para sa akin, this is like sweet enough. But then again, I don't have a sweet tooth. Hindi ako mahilig sa sobrang tatamis. Kasi ang dami talaga nagko-comment, nagme-message sa akin na try mo mag-add ng condensed milk sa spaghetti. Okay na ako sa ito, sweet style, tapos lalagyan ko siya ng cheese maya-maya. Yung cheese kasi, nagbibigay siya nung like creamy na texture sa sauce. And it's really, really good. Ayan, ilagay ko na yung sauce, guys. Hahayaan ko lang yan na mag-simmer dyan on low heat. Maya-maya, lalagyan natin siya ng cheese. Pero, sa ngayon, okay na yan siya. Guys, kaka-add ko lang ng cheese. It looks so good. Malapit na ito matapos. Pero see, it makes it creamy instantly after mo mag-add ng cheese. Ito pala yung gamit ko na cheese. Vega Farmer's Tasty Grated Cheese. Parang ano lang siya, no, not Parmesan, cheddar. Okay na to guys. Tikman natin. Kumpletuhin natin. Hotdog, beef, at saka mushroom. Saan yung mushroom? Wait lang, mamaya na nga yung mushroom. Hindi makuha yung mushroom. Yum. Hanap tayo ng mushroom. Sarap! Ito, mushroom. Sarap! Yummers. Walang joke, sarap. Hindi ako naglagay ng beef stock kasi hindi naman siya dry. Ready na siya, guys! Mamaya ako na to. Iinitin ko pa ito mamaya. May lakad pa kasi kami ni Dan. Yung usapan is pupunta sila dito ng 7:30? 7:30 ata or 7. So, mamaya, pagbalik namin galing sa lakad namin ni Dan, iinitin ko siya. Pero yung chicken, I think I'm gonna... Ano gagawin ko? Yung chicken nandito na eh. Ito yung minarinate natin kahapon. Yung chicken kasi kailangan siya i-double fry. Para kuha-kuha talaga yung crispy na like sobrang sarap na chicken. Now, actually, not yet. Because alas 3 pa naman eh. Mamaya na. Kasi parang 4:30 kami aalis ng bahay. Lilinisin ko lang to dito. Madudumihan din siya mamaya. Pero at least like, hindi naman ganito kadumi kasi sobrang dumi niya ngayon. And mag-vacuum din ako dito. Sabi ko kasi kanina mamaya na ako mag-vacuum kapag tapos na ako magluto. Mabilis lang naman yung vacuum kasi na-tidy up ko na yung bahay except dun sa working table ko. So mamaya after ng upload ko, ayusin ko yung laptop ko. Itatabi ko yan. Guys, nandito yung chicken ko. Gagawa ako ng butter. Akala ko may butter ako. Ito yung from yung Del Monte na pack na meron siyang breading, meron siyang marinade, meron siyang gravy. Meron sana siyang butter. Kaya lang wala pala dito. Feeling ko naubos ko na siya last time nung gumawa ako nito last time. So, gagawa ako ng butter. Babasihan ko yung kung saan ko binase tong recipe na to, Marion's Kitchen. Ililive ko yung video niya sa description box. So yung kakailanganin sa butter, very simple lang naman. 1 cup ng corn flour or cornstarch, and then half a cup of plain flour, and then 1.5 cups of cold water. Yun lang guys. So kukuha lang ako nung mga yun. Okay, so lagay natin siya dito. 1 cup corn flour. Ito ang aking corn flour, guys. 1 cup kabaya. Dami, ah. Dami, ah. 1 cup talaga. I'm gonna do half a cup. Tapos, I'm gonna do half or na. Kasi parang sobrang dami naman. Tapos, 1/4 cup ng flour. Ayan. Tapos, instead of 1.5 cups of cold water, what's half of 1.5?
750.
Hindi mo. Sabi cold water daw. So, dito ako kukuha sa amin. Meron pa tayong cold water dito, babe. Good job. Meron tayong cold water. And, dadagdagan ko siya ng salt and pepper para may lasa yung ating butter ba. Pero huwag damihan ha, kasi may flavor na yung chicken natin eh. Dagdagan ko lang siya. Hindi din sinabi dun sa recipe, original recipe, na lagyan ng salt and pepper. Pero wala lang, gusto ko lang siyang lagyan. So, lalagyan ko siya guys. Tapos, okay na to. Pwede na tayong mag-first fry. Tapos mamaya, pagdating namin ni Dan, galing sa aming lakad, nandito na pala si Dan. Gagawin natin yung final fry. So, yan yung itsura ng ating butter. Dapat ganyan yung consistency niya. And now, let's do it. Ready na ako mag-fry, guys. Ilalagay lang natin yung ating chicken dito. Iko-coat natin sa ating butter. Ayan. Tapos, idediretso natin dun sa ating mainit na mantika. So, yung mantika, hindi siya sobrang init. Yung sobrang init, mamaya na yun kapag, ano na, final fry na. So, for now, yung hindi pa sobrang init na mantika, ha? Naratakot ako sa kanya doon kasi, ano siya, pumuputo. Ay! Malapit na to guys. Yung first fry around 6 to 7 minutes. Ipa-fry ko lang lahat guys ha. Pero I don't think lahat ipa-final fry ko. Kasi 4 lang naman kami kakain mamaya. Ang dami nito. Pwede ko ito dalhin bukas kasi pupunta kami kinakat bukas. Ay, sorry. Nakaharang talaga yung malaking kaldero ng sauce eh. Pero nakikita nyo ba ang mga pangyayari guys? Ito na yun oh. Yan yung first fry. It looks good. Guys, last batch na muna to kasi alis na kami ni Dan. Meron pang matira eh, pero mamaya na yun kasi kailangan na namin umalis. In 15 minutes daw, alis na kami. Itong iba mamaya na to. But yeah, it's really good already.
2 hours later.
Bahay na kami guys. Pagpatuloy ko na yung aking cooking. Hindi ko lahat to lulutuin ngayon ha. Pero i-first fry ko sila lahat. Tapos bukas, yung mga dadalhin ko kinakat. Kasi nga pupunta kami kinakat. Bukas ko na siya i-final fry. So we have ito. Ito na lang natira. I-first fry ko siya. Tapos after that, hintayin ko na sobrang uminit yung mantika. Tapos i-final fry na natin tong mga to. Kasi darating na yun sila in... Nung oras na ba? 6:20. So darating sila in 40 minutes. Alas 7 yung sabi ni Dan na papuntahin sila dito. Tapos ko na first fry yung lahat guys. Ayan. Yan yung sa kakainin natin ngayon. And ito yung para bukas. Bukas ko na yan ipa-fry. And then, ito, yung oil, kailangan sobrang, sobrang init niya before tayo mag-final fry. And, kunin lang yung mga, yung mga ganito ba. Ayan guys, luto na lahat ng chicken and it looks really good. Yung ating sauce, iniinit ko na siya. So, it is under very, very low heat. Tapos, meron na din tayong nakaboil na tubig dyan para sa ating pasta na merong oil at saka asin. Yan. Gumawa din pala ako ng lumpia, guys. Well, inano ko na lang siya, dinip fry kasi gawa na yan. And nandyan na yung cheese para sa spaghetti. Sauce para sa lumpia. And chicken!
Hello people, we are waiting for them now. Bloody focus, focus. There we go. Hello people, we're waiting for them. They're late as always. My dad's very slow, he's just an old man. He's 65 in a few days time, so hurry up old man. Raz is recooking the lumpia because they got cold. I'm going to be here 45 minutes ago, so he should come any minute. So when we come, he hates the camera more than I do, so we're going to embarrass the hell out of him. You're late.
What do you mean I'm late?
6:45.
Instead of texting ring it from.
You don't bloody answer. He is hopeless.
Tell me about
I know.
Hi Daniel.
No, we finished it out. The food's going to be cold, but that's alright. It's fine. So we made Filipino spaghetti and fried chicken.
Hello.
And lumpia. Lumpia is like spring rolls.
Oh,
So
you didn't have to do anything.
Raz cooked it. So she's a good cook.
No.
You are?
If then you say that, she is.
Ah, she is.
Where do you want to sit, babe?
I'll see you.
Here. We have chicken as well.
These we had to... Do you want a beer or do you want Coke?
We have beer.
Want beer?
That's alright.
Okay. Yeah. So these guys are really cool. They were really good before, not too bad now. Had to refry them. Captain cook it though.
Oh, have a look at them. And you made this.
Yeah.
Okay.
It has like milk.
Well, that's nice.
Is it really?
It's sweet. You don't have to eat the whole lot because it does get a bit. All right, Dad, you got to review it.
It has egg.
You got it.
Just egg yolks and then condensed milk and evaporated milk.
All right. No, Dad's got to review it as
And
well.
sugar.
I'll try a bit right down it. It reminds me of the taste of toffees.
Yeah. Because it has that like.
Not bad. Okay. He's not gonna eat it.
This one?
Yeah,
That one's yours. Let Dad open up his. I don't know, but you can open up yours first, baby.
That's alright.
Dad first?
Yeah.
Okay, the oldest person first. Alright, Dad, open up your present. Show them what you got.
Welcome to our home.
Welcome to our world. I wrapped it myself, by the way.
He did.
This is something I actually brought a long time ago, and it's been sitting in the cupboard. I've been meaning to give it to you for a present for a while. Grumpy old man, glasses and beers. Grumpy old man.
It's like that cup you bought.
We use
Yeah.
that cup.
I
love it, yeah.
Okay. Kathy, yours isn't as exciting, but you'll like it. So, let Kathy open up hers, and then.
Yeah.
So when you're at home, you can just drink from your cup and just think of us. I wrapped it myself. That's why the wrapping's really bad.
No, you actually did really well.
Yeah. I don't know if you guys eat chocolate, but I just.
I was looking at things over the
Oh, were you?
weekend.
There you go.
Yeah, I like Lindt chocolate.
He
So
loves it.
yeah,
Oh, thank you.
that's alright.
Guess. Whatever, babe.
I'm trying to think of a. It is.
I don't think you'll think this one.
It's aftershave.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I'm thinking aftershave.
Well, it is aftershave.
Giorgio Armani.
Ooh.
Oh
Ooh, Bulgari. Nice. Good choice.
no. Yeah.
Yeah, open it, babe. So they recommended that? Yeah. No, that's good. Fancy.
As well. 1 million. That was a good one as well.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's his favorite.
I used all of it, and then Tristan doesn't wear his very often.
No.
So he took it.
I took Tristan's as well. Oh, nice.
Oh wow, fancy.
Do you have the same one, so we smell the same? Oh.
Other way.
There we go. I thought it was. That's what. I like that. That's good.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cheers, man. Thank you.
Thank you. Merry Christmas, my love. Yeah, no, it's good. That's kind of like the. What did you get last time? Isimiaki.
Oh, Izumiyaki as well. Yeah.
Yeah.
I actually like that better than Izumiyaki. Oh, matching.
Yes. Matchy.
No, very nice.
Fancy.
I was going to get a bottle of that myself.
This here?
This?
You should.
Did you smell it? It's good.
Do you wear perfume? Yeah.
I liked it, but they only had 3 bottles. And so I bought 3 bottles.
Oh, you can give like one to the other girls as well? Yeah.
And then we went to another shop. And
You get
I reckon they didn't get them at all.
Do you buy it from the Chemist Warehouse?
Yeah.
Yeah, they're really good. That's cute. That's
Nice, yeah.
fancy pants.
That's very cool.
I don't know whether they'll be too strong for you or not.
Yeah, I suppose not. That's not too strong at all.
No.
Nah, I suppose good.
That reminds me of the Lady Million as well.
Ah,
Yeah.
yeah, cool.
Oh, that's good. Thank you.
Thank you, people.
Guys, it's late. 11:10. Kakaalis lang nila. Napatagal yung chika namin. Hindi namin napansin. Kala namin alas 10 pa lang. So, we need to tidy up. Mabango. You know what? I looked up... Yeah. I looked up the notes for this and it has patchouli.
Ah, okay.
Yung mga perfume na gusto ko usually, yung may mga patchouli. Yung may patchouli. Yung notes. I know. And this one, meron siyang patchouli. Chinek ko. Thank you, guys. Okay. Let's just tidy up, guys, para makapagpahinga na tayo kasi si Dan work pa siya bukas. And I need to wake up early tomorrow as well because I need to edit in the morning para makapunta ako kina Kat. Lunchtime daw kami pupunta eh. Lapit na matapos yung dishes, guys. Si Dan yung maghugas ng mga malaki. And ano na din, na-clean na namin yung table. Yung papa niya hindi nagustuhan yung leche flan. Kasi ayaw niya sa mga cream, ayaw niya sa mga food na may milk. So hindi niya nagustuhan yung leche flan, but he liked the spaghetti. Pero si Kathy, yung asawa niya, gustong-gusto niya yung leche flan. Naubos niya. Was it a good dinner, my love?
It was a good dinner.
It wasn't keto though. So, hindi siya keto kasi carbs. Tapos yung leche flan, sugar. So, it was a cheat day again for Danny Boy. Pero okay lang yan. It was a cheat day. Like, kind of a cheat day for me as well. Pero hindi ako kumain ng lumpia. Kasi wala akong pork, diba? So, yung kinain ko chicken lang at saka yung pasta na iniiwasan ko din yung hotdog kasi processed food. Anyway, yun na yung vlog today. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please like this video if you did. Please subscribe if you haven't already. I hope to see you guys.
Focus.
Bye.
One word for the day.
Bye guys. Good night. Be good.